rapid fire questions for you, right? Okay. Shall we? All right.
Yeah.
So, I think the first you've already answered, and that is the most underrated finance minister in Indian history.
I think I gave you Yashwant Sinha.
Yashwant Sinha.
I wouldn't have named Mr. Chidambaram because Mr. Chidambaram is not underrated. He is, probably a
Given
little
his
over.
due.
Yeah.
Okay. A reform that India needs urgently but hasn't dared to pursue.
Education reform, particularly in the primary and the middle education sector.
Okay.
Not so much in the higher education. We have got a new educational regulatory body, but my fear is that you will very soon find another retired civil servant heading that.
Okay.
Instead of a proper educator coming and guiding its fortunes. But I think the primary and the secondary education sector requires immediate fixing, which will ensure that India becomes a good place where you can get vocational training and skilling.
All right. One economic myth about India that you hope people would stop believing.
It's a difficult one. I think, India will, become the third largest economy soon.
But that doesn't change the fortunes on ground.
On the ground, and we still remain an unequal society.
Okay, fair enough. A decade in India's economic journey you would like to most revisit?
1991 to 1999.
Okay. Market forces or state intervention, what defines India's growth story?
A mixed economy, in my view.
Mixed
right
economy.
Through, even now.
Okay. And if you had to describe India's economy in one word right now?
Vibrant.
Vibrant it is. And your prediction, what will India's most significant economic achievement be by 2047?
If it can bring down the informal workforce in the economy from 90% to 50%.
That would be a great achievement.
Yeah.